In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Preflight tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to fix PDF UA issues. This process will ensure that your PDF meets accessibility standards, making it more usable for everyone, including those using screen readers. First, make sure you have your PDF file ready and open it in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your file is loaded, you want to move to the All Tools section. This can be found on the left side of your screen. Click on it to reveal a list of tools available within Acrobat. From there, you're looking for the option called Print Production. Click on it to proceed to the next step. The Print Production panel offers various options to manage your PDF's print and layout features. Here, you'll need to locate and select Preflight. Preflight is a powerful utility in Acrobat that checks your PDF for errors, ensuring it conforms to specific standards, including accessibility requirements. Once you've selected Preflight, turn your attention to the Essentials drop-down menu. Click on this menu, and among the list you will find an option labeled PDF Standards. When you choose PDF Standards, you are setting up your document to be checked against universal PDF standards that can highlight any tagging issues. From this point, to address issues in your document's tagging structure, look for Fix Problems in PDF Tagging Structure and select it. This selection initiates a specialized check aimed at pinpointing errors within your PDF's tagging hierarchy, an essential factor in ensuring PDF accessibility. With the tagging structure issues highlighted, the next step is to click on Analyze and Fix. By doing so, Acrobat will now dive deep into the document, and the tool will automatically identify and correct any identified tagging issues. This Analyze and Fix function essentially acts as an automated assistant, making the necessary adjustments to bring your document up to the required standards. After clicking Analyze and Fix, you'll receive a prompt to save your document. This is a crucial step, as any fixes the Preflight tool implements needs to be saved to ensure they remain effective. When prompted, make sure to give your file a new name, which helps retain a copy of the original document in case you need to refer back to it. Once you've named your file, click on Save. By following these steps, you've successfully utilized Acrobat's Preflight tool to fix PDF UA issues. Your document is now more accessible and compliant with universal accessibility standards. This simple yet thorough process ensures that all users, regardless of their circumstances, can access the content of your PDF seamlessly. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.